Hi there, this is Shalini, and I'm an international physical and emotional pain relief expert and the best-selling author of this book, Instant Pain Relief, a bestseller on Amazon, and it's all about healing chronic pain. And today's video is video number 5 in the series of videos that I'm making about how to get to the root cause of chronic pain. Because chronic pain, a lot of people who are struggling in chronic pain stay stuck in chronic pain because they are addressing their chronic pain only from the physical, the structural aspect. But chronic pain is a multifaceted, multi-layered issue. And unless you address all those underlying hidden root issues, you don't get the relief that you're looking for. So I've created 4 other videos in which I share different aspects that are root issues that are contributing to the chronic pain. And this is video number 5. And the way we've been digging into accessing those root issues is asking ourselves key questions that allows us to explore deeper, dig deeper. And this video, the question is, how did you feel when you got your diagnosis from your doctor? Or how did your interaction with your doctor about your problem make you feel? Why is that important? It's really important. Why is because many times I get, clients who have said that when they went to the doctor, there's no proof, like the tests that happened, that the exams that were done, there was no problem. And so the doctor told them everything's fine, there's no problem with them. And so they felt sort of dismissed and upset and confused and conflicted because they are in persistent pain every day, but the doctor said there's no problem. So that can leave you feeling like ignored by the doctor, that he's not really getting it, and it leaves you feeling stressful, right? Because if the medical expert can't tell you what's going on with you, then you feel even worse, right? Another example is sometimes clients go to patients go to the doctor, and then the doctor says, oh, I've checked your MRI, and the spine is deteriorating. You'll probably need to be on wheelchair for the rest of your life. There are cases like that. And so when you get a diagnosis like your spine is deteriorating and you might be on wheelchair, gosh, you're already dealing with all the pain, right, every day. And now you've got this other heavy backpack to deal with because it's like a burden on you. Like there is no choice, you're stuck, and it's going to get worse. And, and sometimes and there are other patients who I've worked with who say that they go to the doctor and they are dismissed, their symptoms are dismissed, and sometimes they're told that the pain is all in their head. And that really frustrates them, infuriates them, because they're living with that pain and the doctor says it's all in your head, but they're experiencing physical pain. So this can really, really impact your healing from your chronic pain, because first, you already have that pain. Now you've got all this additional stress about, I'll be stuck, my spine is deteriorating, there's no problem. How am I going to figure this out? Maybe I'm going to be stuck in pain forever. And so how does that impact your chronic pain? Well, because it makes you totally stressed, right? Because now you don't know what's going to happen. And the doctors kind of like raise their hand and say, we can't do anything about it. And so all that stress you're experiencing causes dis-ease. It causes a disturbance in your system. And when you're stressed, the body releases stress hormones to deal with this stress, but there is no real solution. So you're constantly stressed, and these stress hormones, the cortisol level keeps rising, And it is a key cause of causing inflammation in your body. They say hormonal imbalance, because there is excess cortisol that is coming up, that's being secreted in your system, that causes an imbalance, that causes inflammation. Now you've compounded that chronic pain by all this additional information that you were told, the feelings, the emotions you felt, because emotions are just energy in motion. And when you have all these disturbing emotions that you're feeling from the physical pain, from the stress of not knowing what to do, you create all this stuck energy in your system, because emotions are energy. Emotions are stuck energy in your system, and you're an energetic being. There's energy flowing through, and if there's a traffic jam of stuck energy in your system, your body is not going to do well. The blood is not going to flow well. The oxygen is not going to flow all throughout your body very well, freely. And even the nutrients are not going to flow to all parts of the body. So there is stuck energy, which causes dis-ease in the symptom, which complicates, worsens the issue with chronic pain. So if you are struggling in chronic pain, and you have had an experience with your medical expert, and you feel more worried and more stressed, I can, even in my own case, when I was told by the doctors that we've tried everything, nothing's working, you have to be on bed rest indefinitely. My kids were 5 and 6 years old. And when I heard that, it was like my world came crashing down. And it led to me being totally depressed, because I was on bed rest and nothing was helping. And in fact, the pain was getting worse as I was on bed. And now on the other side, having healed myself, I understand why it was getting worse. I was stressed. I thought, I'm going to live my life sitting on the bed and watching my kids grow and watching my life pass me by while everybody was moving forward. I'd be stuck and my life is over. I'm going to be like a vegetable. I'm not even going to be uh, a regular mom. I won't be able to be a regular mom to my kids. So imagine all that stress when you're already in chronic pain. And so what do I do? Well, what you need to do is address all that stress, all that anger, all that frustration. You have to be aware of it and then release it from your system, so that all that stuck energy starts releasing and clearing out, so that there's better flow in your system, so that there's more ease in your system. And why is that important? Is that when you are in a state of calm and ease, more ease, your body is in homeostasis, which means it's more relaxed, right? And what happens when your body is relaxed is that its own healing abilities, its self-healing, self-regulating, self-repairing abilities kick in to help you heal. And I also, used EFT tapping, emotional freedom techniques, to consciously let go of all those disturbing worries, fears, angers, all the emotions that I was feeling, to release it and clear it and let it go. And if you're watching this video on my YouTube channel, then there are tons of videos on how you can, use EFT tapping, which includes tapping on acupressure points, as you think about what's upsetting you, disturbing you, and all those, upsetting feelings that you're feeling. I have lots of videos on how to release anger, how to release overwhelm, how to release frustration, and all of those different emotions. So do check out those videos. And I also have my book, Instant Pain Relief, which shows you step by step how you can address your physical pain, your emotional pain, your mental pain, and even those deeper pain layers, all that pain that we all carry in our backpack, childhood issues and all of that stuff that contribute to dis-ease within, which eventually create chronic diseases on the surface. So if you want to check it out, the link will be below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're a regular watcher, please do subscribe. And if you know people who are struggling in chronic pain, please do share this video with them. It will help them and it will help me as well to grow my channel. So thank you for being here, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video, which is also about, another aspect of getting to the root cause of chronic pain. So see you then. Bye for now.